Good morning, students. Question number 4 of worksheet 1, chapter 4. Today we will start from here. Question number 4 is express the following as powers of rational numbers. Here, rational number 81 upon 625 is given. Firstly, we will find the prime factorization of these. 81, we will find the factors. You already know how to find 625. We found this 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means 4 times. We will write 3 in the numerator and factors of 625 we will write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 means 4 times. We can write it in exponential form 3 raised to the power 4 because 3 is 4 times here and same 5 is 4 times here. We will write it 5 raised to the power 4. We will write it in combined form 5 upon 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 4. It was asked from us that express the following as powers of rational numbers, means this is rational number and this is the power of this. Okay, this is the answer in this way. Next is, I think, question second, third, fourth part you can do. These parts are same as we done in first part. Try to do these parts yourself. Now fifth part is minus 1 upon 216. 1 we can write as 1 into 1 into 1. We know that whenever we multiply 1 with 1, as many times we will get the answer 1. Okay, 216, whenever we find the prime factorization of this, or you can write find the factors of 216. It is not compulsory that it should be prime. Firstly, in this way you can write it as 2 into, see, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. We can write it as like this. We can make pairs of 2 into 3, 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. We have written it in combined form 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 means 6 into 6 into 6 means whenever we multiply 6 into 6 into 6 we get the answer 216, and 1 into 1 into 1 answer 1. In we can write 216 in this way also. We can find the factor 6 into 6 into 6, both are same. Okay, minus 1 upon 216, we can write it 1 into 1 into 1 and upon 6 into 6 into 6. 1 minus 1 upon 6 is the base and whole raised to the power 3. This is the answer of this part. Rest of the parts you do yourself. In case of any difficulty you can ask from me. Now worksheet 2. In worksheet 2, firstly you will write down note. Okay, from before starting chapter worksheet 2, you will write note. If P upon Q is a rational number and M is any positive integer, then we can write, suppose P upon Q and whole, this is the base and exponent is M, we can write it as P raised to the power M and Q raised to the power M, means this power will go with M, with numerator and denominator, P raised to the power M and Q raised to the power M. We can write it like this. Suppose 4 upon 7 whole raised to the power 5 is given, we can write it as 4 raised to the power 5 and 7 raised to the power 5. Clear? Means this power will go with both. Second is, the reciprocal of a rational number P upon Q is Q upon P. You already know. Suppose rational number rational number is 6 upon 7. You can write the reciprocal. This is the given rational number. The reciprocal of this is 7 upon 6. This you already done in previous term, means in term 1 also. Reciprocal of 6 upon 7 is 7 upon 6. Okay, P upon Q is Q upon P. And this is new for you. The reciprocal of P upon Q whole raised to the power m is Q upon P whole raised to the power m. Means exponent will remain same. Okay, m, exponent is m, exponent is m. Here, this is the rational number. You will find the reciprocal of this P upon Q. In place of P upon Q, you will write Q upon P. And power will remain same. Clear? Now worksheet 2, find the reciprocal. In worksheet 2, these sums are given. First part 12 raised to the power 5. You have to find the reciprocal of this. You will write it like this. Okay, don't write directly answer. You should write like this. Reciprocal of this, whatever is given, you should write. Reciprocal of this is equal to 1 upon 12 raised to the power 5. Okay, we can write it like this, 12 raised to the power 5 and 1 raised to the power 5. Okay, in combined form we can write 1 upon 12 raised to the power 5. If you will write this sum up to here, then it is okay. Okay, up to here you can write. Up to here, if you will write reciprocal of this is equal to this is also correct. Clear? This is rest I told in brief, I am telling. Okay, in short you can write this. 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 3. It is given, you have to find the reciprocal of this. This is a given rational number as we done in note. P upon Q whole raised to power m. Reciprocal of 2 upon 7 whole raised to power 3. This 1 upon means reciprocal of this. Clear? 1 upon, we will write it in the denominator. Okay, we written these powers and find the reciprocal. We will write the reciprocal of this. 7 raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to power 3. 7 upon 2 whole raised to power 3. This is the answer. Or in short, you can write it like this. This is also correct way. Okay. Here I explained this step by step. If you will write the answer directly, then it is also correct. But it should be clear to you how it came. Okay. 2 upon 3 reciprocal, it should be written. Reciprocal of 2 upon 7 whole raised to power 3 is equal to 7 upon 2. Power remains same and you will write the reciprocal of this 2 upon 7. In place of this 7 upon 2 you will write. Okay. Now sixth part, minus 8 upon 13 whole raised to the power 99. Reciprocal of this, directly you can write answer this. Clear? But it should be clear to you how this answer came in this way. Okay, this is the answer. Minus 13 upon 8 whole raised to the power 99. Eighth part, 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 4. Firstly, we know these two rational numbers are given. In case of multiplication, we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 2 into 9 and 3 into 4. We will cancel these. After cancellation, we will get the rational number 3 upon 2. Now find the reciprocal of this rational number. The reciprocal of 3 upon 2 is 2 upon 3. Directly you can write. Okay, this is the answer. And ninth part, 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 2 into 4. 1 upon 2 We will write, firstly we will write its expanded form, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 4. Okay, right, 1 into 1 into 4, 2 into 2 into 1. Okay. After cancellation we get the answer 1. Then reciprocal of 1 is 1. You already know this thing. In this way you can do. Yes beta, from in this worksheet 10 sums are there, 10 parts are there, and we done 5 parts. 5 parts you will do yourself. Okay, this is your homework for today. Thank you.